Hello, welcome here today. Long time no see. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre le présent du verbe avoir. So today we're gonna learn the present tense of the irregular verb avoir. All right. So let's go ahead and start. Okay. So the present tense of a verb avoir. Okay. So avoir means to have, and it's irregular because it does not follow a specific pattern, as you're gonna see here next. So the first person I have is j'ai. Tu as, il, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, il or elle ont. Okay, so once again, you remember this is he and this is she and has. This is they for masculine for the male, and then they for female, and then they have. So it's important that you guys get that. Okay, so you can actually pause this at this point and just take the note, and after that, let's move on to the next one. So for example here, okay, vous avez une feuille de papier. Do you have a piece of paper? Vous avez une feuille de papier. Or you can also use like j'ai le cahier. I have the notebook. I have the notebook. Okay, so that's simply the present tense of the verb avoir. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and talk about other expression with avoir. So for example, in French, in English you can say I'm thirsty, I'm hungry. So in French you're going to say j'ai faim, j'ai soif. So let's go ahead and talk about those. So expression of you already have seen the form of avoir like we talked about before. So you have noticed that some expression where we use the verb to be in English, okay, in French there are expression that take the same to be in English but change it to avoir in French. For example, like to be hungry, you're gonna say avoir faim. Kind of talk about that already. Avoir soif, to be thirsty. Okay. Avoir faim, avoir soif, to be thirsty. So j'ai faim, I'm hungry. Okay. Vous avez soif, are you thirsty? Okay, those are terms that you kind of need to know. The verb to be hungry, to be thirsty is using the form of avoir in French. So to say that you need something to do something or that you need something, you use the expression avoir besoin de. Okay, it's to need. Okay, remember that de right here comes before the words that you need, basically. And j'ai besoin d'un stylo. Okay, I need a pen. Okay, j'ai besoin d'une pomme. Okay, so it's clear here that de, you're gonna use de. Okay, I'm in need of. De stand for of. Okay, you're gonna use de when the word start with a consonant. Okay, and then if the word start with a vowel sound, you're gonna use the apostrophe. All right, very simple. Let's move on with the example here. For example, tu as besoin de téléphoner. Do we need to call? Tu as besoin de téléphoner, and then j'ai besoin d'un euro. Okay, you notice here that here téléphoner start with a consonant, and then here it's gonna be de, and then here un euro start with a vowel, so it's the apostrophe. Okay, so once again, let me go ahead and recall the present tense of verb avoir is j'ai, tu as, il a, nous avons, vous avez, and ils ont. Okay, for example, if I want to say we need to call, you're gonna say nous avons besoin de téléphoner. Okay. What about they need 1 euro? You're gonna say ils ont besoin d'un euro. Okay. So your homework, simple. You're gonna go ahead and do activity 9, page 108 from the textbook, right? Activity 9, page 108 from the textbook. It looks like this one here, right? So all he asking you to do is just state whether the people here are hungry or thirsty. Okay, so like number one, you're gonna write Nadia, Theo et Nadia ont. What is that? They're hungry. So it's Theo et Nadia ont faim, and then you continue doing that until end. So on this note, talk to you later and have a good day. Au revoir, à bientôt.